First up, heirloom seeds. These little gems are the antiques of the gardening world. Heirloom seeds come from plants that have been cultivated for at least 50 years. They are open pollinated, meaning they are naturally pollinated by birds, insects, wind, or other natural mechanisms. The beauty of heirloom seeds lies in their consistency. Plant them, and you'll get the same variety year after year. If you want to save seeds from your garden, planting heirlooms is the best approach. Plus, they often produce fruits and vegetables with a flavor that's hard to beat. Next, we have hybrid seeds. Much like the name suggests, these seeds are the result of cross-pollination between two different parent plants, each chosen for specific characteristics. The goal is to combine the best traits from each parent plant into one super seed. This might include better yield, faster growth, or disease resistance. However, it's worth noting that the offspring of hybrid seeds are often sterile or don't carry the same desirable traits. If they are sterile, there is no point in saving the seeds as they will not grow. Also, the flavor of the fruit from a hybrid seed is likely to be different than the plant it came from. Let's turn now to open pollinated seeds. These are seeds from plants that are pollinated naturally, as we mentioned earlier, with heirloom seeds. The key difference is that open pollinated seeds aren't necessarily heirlooms. They can be newer varieties, but they still offer the perk of being able to save seeds from year to year with reliable results. Finally, we come to GMO seeds, short for genetically modified organisms. These seeds have been altered in a lab using genetic engineering techniques. Scientists take traits from one organism and insert them into the DNA of another. This can result in plants that are resistant to certain pests, diseases, or environmental conditions. However, GMO seeds have sparked a lot of debate due to concerns about their impact on health and the environment. It's important to note that there haven't been any long-term studies on the effect of GMO produce on the human body. The best-known type of GMO seed today is one created to be resistant to glyphosate, a broad-spectrum systemic herbicide and crop desiccant, also known as Roundup. GMO seeds are not generally available to the public, though this is beginning to change and should be watched carefully. In summary, each type of seed, heirloom, hybrid, open-pollinated, and GMO, has its own unique characteristics. Heirloom seeds are the old-timers offering consistency and flavor. Hybrid seeds are the result of selective cross-pollination aiming for the best traits. Open-pollinated seeds are naturally pollinated and can be either heirlooms or newer varieties. And GMO seeds are the result of scientific intervention, offering resistance to pests and diseases, but sparking debate over their impact. There you have it. The world of seeds is as diverse as it is fascinating, with each type of seed offering its unique advantages and challenges. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a curious novice, understanding these differences can help you make informed choices about what to plant in your garden. So, next time you're faced with a packet of seeds, you'll know exactly what you're getting.